Ugh. Hey guys, so today we're going to look at how to use this stuff, masking fluid. It's very simple to use if you've never used it, particularly on watercolor or pencil drawings. You can even use it, mainly watercolor paintings. So what you want to do is, before you even put any paint on your painting, you mask out the bits of the painting that you want to remain completely white and the white paper to show through. I know we can sometimes cheat a little bit later on by using white gouache on top, but at the end of the day, you're never ever going to bring a watercolour painting back to the pure white of the page. It doesn't really happen. Make sure you use old brushes, because the masking fluid itself will ruin your brushes. These are actually masking fluid brushes. You don't have to get specific brushes for masking fluid, but they will be ruined. Say these have got masking fluid stuck in them, and you're never ever going to get them out. They'll be no good for painting itself afterwards. So just a couple of old brushes or masking fluid brushes. You've got your masking fluid, you've got the painting that you're going to start, and more importantly, how to remove it. The problem with masking fluid, apart from the fact that it stinks of fish or something, is it's really difficult to remove, and the longer you have the masking fluid on the paper itself, the more it seems to bond to the painting, and it can be quite difficult to remove easily. You can damage the paper underneath if you're not careful. Also, you can tear the paper as well, so I've had that happen as well. So I've been trying different techniques. I have not looked anywhere to see how to do it, so we're going to look at one particular way of removing it that I personally have found works best for me without damaging the paper and removes it easily. I have in the past used the base of a paintbrush to do it, and that it works okay, but the problem is, and it has actually happened with this brush, a bit of the dye has come off the bottom of the brush and it actually marked the paper. So I stopped that, and I'm going to use what I do use, the humble cotton bud, and that for me has worked the best. It doesn't appear to damage the paper yet, it's strong enough to get the masking fluid off. Cotton bud, I think in America you call these Q-tips, is that right? Yeah, so that will remove your masking fluid easily. I'm just going to show you a sample piece where I've just marked random shapes with masking fluid, and then we're going to paint over it, and then we're going to remove it. So it's just a handy tip. Okay guys, let's get to it. So there you have it, how to use and remove masking fluid easily. See you again next time. Bye!